Hey guys, so you've gone ahead and you've purchased your head unit, whether it be a single din or a double din, but now you got to make it actually work in the vehicle. You've probably noticed every vehicle's got a different size dash. Some are bigger, some are smaller, and all the plugs are different as well. When you come to a shop like ours or any other aftermarket shop, we can sell you the proper parts to make your deck work and make all the factory features work as well. Let's start with the basics, getting the deck to turn on and making sound. Inside your deck, you're going to get a harness that's going to have pigtails on it, and what you need to do is you need to purchase a harness that will match the vehicle on the other side. Usually just come in a small bag like this, and there are instructions in the back. When installing with newer vehicles, you're probably going to need some sort of module. Most newer vehicles don't use an actual 12-volt turn-on to actually turn on the factory deck. What they use is a computer signal. So what this does is, it interprets the computer signal, and then sends out a proper 12-volt signal to turn on your aftermarket deck. They also integrate with other features on the factory unit that a typical regular harness wouldn't be able to. Another thing modules allow us to do is to properly integrate in with factory systems. Like this pack piece here allows us to integrate with the factory Bose system as well as the factory OnStar system. Another thing you want to consider when you're installing your aftermarket head unit is maintaining steering wheel controls. Most decks don't actually integrate with them right off the bat. You actually have to put in some sort of module, again, that will actually interpret the signal coming from the steering wheels and then sending a signal to the deck that the deck can understand, like this piece right over here. We also want to make sure that the radio is going to work properly. Not every vehicle has a standard radio plug at the back of it. So what you can always get from aftermarket shops like ours is a radio antenna adapter to allow the vehicle to get proper radio reception. Alright, you got your deck all wired up and you're ready to blast some tunes, but first you got to secure the thing. That's where the mounting kit comes in. Every deck is manufactured to a specific size, whether it be single din or double din. It's all standardized for you. But every car is manufactured differently. That's why we need the mounting kit. What the mounting kit allows us to do is to actually put the deck in, have it contoured and secured securely to the dash and look good, and then accommodate the standard size stereo. Okay, for you guys and girls that have newer cars, don't worry, you can still change the deck on them. You might be looking at your dash saying, well, the radio controls and the HVAC controls are all built into one. That's no problem. These newer mounting kits, they are shaped and conform to your factory specs, they're color matched, and they allow you to transfer over your HVAC controls and accommodate, again, either a single din or a double din screen. I highly recommend putting a double din screen. They look way better with them. Well, hopefully that gives you guys a better idea what's involved in installing an aftermarket head unit parts-wise.